Hi guys, hope all is well. Just come past midday here on the 27th of August. Jerome Powell speaking shortly just before the US cash open. Relatively quiet across the market. Stocks just drifting lower. We've been on a decent run, of course, with the Nasdaq and the S&P making new all-time highs in recent sessions. Just wonder whether the market is pricing in too much in the way of a dovish reaction expected from Jerome Powell's comments. So just keep an eye on that, and remember last Wednesday from the Fed minutes, no new dovishness led to a bit of a correction lower, albeit temporary, but will be worth keeping an eye on as we head into September, volume returning, and of course that all important Fed meeting as well. Other comments overnight, US-China trade update, just on that front. China are way off their target for 2020, but they are speeding up their purchases. So, it depends how you want to look at that. Obviously, coronavirus was a key point to stopping that happening. Oil, Hurricane Laura has been downgraded to a category 3. So worth keeping a watch on any developments there, as that's expected to hit shortly. In terms of levels and trade ideas, it's more, I guess, you're going to have to react to what Jerome Powell says. I'd just be keeping a watch on, for example, 34.48 to the downside. Also, the sort of the Monday low, Tuesday low around 34.42, which was, of course, that original all-time high that we had. And then, of course, the 3400 handle, which I know some people will as well be looking at as an area of that sort of previous all-time high. So those would be potential areas where I think people would look to buy the dip. To the upside, if we do get further dovish comments from Jerome Powell, a trendline break to the upside could be worth keeping a watch on. And even, of course, the all-time high pushing as well. One to bear in mind, but having a look at the recent price action, it could well be a buy the rumour, sell the fact. On the dollar side of things, euro has just been drifting lower, still obviously pretty range bound. You can see from the last few videos that's what we've been talking about, just how it's stuck in that range to the upside. 1, 2, 3 tests back below the pivot. Probably worth having a bit of a line in the sand for today on that, just given the importance that it played last night and this morning as support before breaking through. So if we can get above, and I would call this a zone, so really back above on the futures 118.23, then yeah, we could be looking for a move to the upside. That said, to the downside, keep a watch, of course, on the S1, which is this double bottom, triple bottom, if you like, on the 60-minute from lows of the 24th and 25th. And then below there, the bottom part of this range, yesterday's lows, and also the low that we had on the 21st. So yeah, key points for the euro going into this talk. The pound, great day yesterday, sort of snapped back to reality today. You can see the sort of failure to get above this breakdown from last Friday has held up well. To the downside, and it's really this area here, the high that we hit on Tuesday, then you've got to make it a bit of a zone with some of these resistance points from yesterday around 131.61. We're looking for that to hold if bullish, and then back down to the line in the sand for the week, which I marked up at around 131.16. Quick look at gold with some dollar strength, has just been drifting down after a solid push yesterday on the market's reaction or potential reactions to dovish expectations. It's on a key level of support, but it's just whether you'd want to get too involved in that really going forward. And I would probably just have still this high and low marked up, and a kind of a wait and see for gold. Do we finish the week now above 1970 or below 1920? As you can see, it's just consolidating around these prices.